Hello there. So now let's take a look at this prediction. Yes, so we'll be talking about Atletico Madrid versus Espanyol. Yes, it has been 2 days now that I did not post video concerning this or about my phone. It's because I lost my phone when I went to funeral on Saturday. So that is why. But I got it back. Yes. They actually sent it to the nearest police station for me to go get it. Right. So I got it back. So for those of you who send me messages on WhatsApp and I was not able to reply, trust me, you're all going to get my reply today. Yeah, so in today's video, I'll be predicting on this particular game, Atletico Madrid versus Espanyol. What are your expectations? And I would like you to drop your prediction in the comment section so that one day when somebody watch your video, you know that yes, there was a guy that predicted and it was successful. Now, let's dive into a few things right here. So, comparing Atletico Madrid to Espanyol, the last 5 matches they've played from 2020 to 2024, they've not played any game in the 2024 yet. The first one was draw, 2020. Second one, Atletico Madrid win. Atletico Madrid win again. Then they've played draw again, and then draw again. Yes, so they are good at playing draw. Even if you go to market, you can see that the prediction price for them is actually very, very bad, but they love playing draw with that a lot, and they do score each other a lot as well. Now, I have learned something. I will soon be doing videos about it, which is corner prediction. So I would love to first thing first check something concerning corner, right? That is all right. So if you go to the head to heads right here, the last matches they played, which is 3-3. How many corners did they play at the end? Okay, let's go to the statistics. Now, if you look at the corner, Espanyol played 16 corners and Atletico Madrid played only one. Look at this. That is over 15 plus corners, and it is very, very good. Take a look at the lineup for that particular day and check the lineup for today. Are they playing against the same players? Okay, are they playing against the same players? The answers might be something different. Now, let's go to today's prediction. Okay, here we go. The lineup is not here today yet. As you can see, the lineup is not yet here. We would like to check the lineup to see how they are actually going it with today. Yes, and these are players that were injury for them, but the lineup is not available. So we fail to see what we are looking for. So let's go back to the prediction ground. So straightforward match like this. The first thing first I've learned is corner predictions for the La Liga. So corner, I'll probably be going for over 10. I'll be going for over 9.5, which is a very high corner predictions. Okay, well, that is just by the way. All right, so let's go to the first pick for this game. Since they are both scoring, you expect the home team to win and then both team to score because the two of them were all scoring Very, very, very good. They are all scoring good. So the first prediction is this one. Then you also have a straight winning there, which you can add to other games. And then when it comes to correct score predictions, let me go to my favorite. When it comes to correct score prediction, that is multi score. Where is correct score? Yes, so we're going for 3-1. This match ended up in 3-1. So these are my picks for today when it comes to Atletico Madrid versus Espanyol. Yes, I'm late, so let's just take this to hold body. Yes, so tomorrow we'll be coming up with more prediction apps as the research continue.